who I am, and I'm going to talk about some assumptions about this course and some expectations I have. So who am I? Well, my name is Raymond Evans. I'm a hacker and coffee enthusiast and tech junkie. I hold certificates in Security Plus, GCIH, and GWOP. Security Plus is, of course, Security Plus, and GCIH is Incident Handling. I'm a certified incident handler. And GWOP is Web Application Penetration Testing. I actively perform web application penetration testing for a company out in St. Louis, and I also actively perform network penetration testing as well. I host a podcast called the SciDef Cybersecurity Podcast, and I organize CTFs for the MCPA St. Louis chapter. So what are some of my assumptions about this course? Well, this is not a basic course. It's kind of more advanced. You have to know how to use a bunch of different tools or be able to learn how to use different tools pretty quickly. You have to at least have a basic knowledge of Linux and be comfortable using the command line. So you have to know things like ifconfig, ls, mkdir, cat, vi, or nano, whichever is your preference, and things like that. You have to know how to use command line and be comfortable with it. Like, use command line constantly, and you should be using it too if you're in a Linux environment. You should also be familiar with and you should be aware of how to set it up and make changes to the VMs comfortably. You should also be able to configure your browser's proxy settings in the network settings portion of your browser. This will come in handy when we're using tools like Burp Suite and Zap, because those tools use the 127.0.0.1 address as a proxy. So, gotta know how to do that. So what was covered? I talked about who I